is a fun event. It is happening right now, as we just mentioned. But, you know, a lot of people will be combining drinking and bicycling, and that is a little tricky. So we asked Robert Nark, an attorney at Friedl Richardson Trial Lawyers, to come in and go over a few safety precautions that you should really think about, because there are no DUI rules when it comes to bicycles, but really you should use common sense.
That's correct, Stella. This time of year, we have all the bicycles on the road. An event like today down in Tempe, it's going to be a great fun event. It's kind of a pub crawl for bicyclists, but there's some common sense and there's some statutory requirements. If you mesh those two together and follow them, we're going to have a safe event.
So what are some rules that people should know about?
Well, number one, there's no helmet laws in Arizona, although there are some in different municipalities, and they usually apply to children under 18 years old. That being the case, it's still a wise decision to wear a helmet. If you wear a helmet, you're in an accident, you're 85% less likely to have a brain injury. And
basically, cars and bikes really share the same roads, same rules.
That's correct.
Except for the DUI thing.
Yeah, well, we call it the 4 Rs. They share the same roads.
Okay.
They have to follow the same rules. They have the same rights, and they have the same responsibilities. What we're looking for is predictability. If you share the same roads, if a bike behaves as though it's a car, they're going to take the same precautions. They're going to stop at a red light, proceed on a green light, use a signal to turn right, that type of thing. We're going to eliminate accidents. When you're talking about DUIs, as they do have to follow the same rules as a vehicle, you would imagine that, well, they could be cited for DUI, driving under the influence. However, the statutes also define a motor vehicle and a bicycle differently. A bicycle is anything powered by human power.
All right. So also another thing is texting and driving.
Well, looking more at the drivers. When they're out there, they've got to be precautious. I asked a friend today, what would you want to communicate to somebody out there? He says, just let them know we're out there. Let them see us. Well, when you have people out in mass like you are going to today, it's more inclined that you'll see that. However, normally when a bicyclist is riding a bike and a motor vehicle is texting, if you're texting, you're using your brain, you're using your physical attributes and sometimes your emotions. So you're diverting your attention from traffic. You're taking about 37% of your brain power away from operating the vehicle. In doing that, you're increasing your chance of getting in an accident about 23%, or 23 times.
Yeah, 23 times. So essentially, those who are driving and those who are on their bikes, all just be careful.
Correct.
And have a good time while you're at it.
Much better day.
All right.
Much better day.
All right. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you.